家好，欢迎来到 Daily Mandarin. I'm your host and native Mandarin speaker. Every episode, we learn one useful Mandarin word or phrase that you can start using right away. Today's word is 找. 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 It usually means to look for or to find. But depending on the situation, it can even mean something completely different. Let's see how native speakers use it. Today's character is Zhǎo. 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 Listen carefully and repeat after me. Zhǎo. Again. Zhǎo. One more time. Zhǎo. Now, let's look at the tone. Zhǎo uses the third tone. Your voice falls, then rises. Listen again. Zhǎo. Now, let's build your Mandarin. Once you know the word 找, you can understand many useful everyday expressions. 找工作. 找工作. Look for a job. 找机会. 找机会. Look for an opportunity. 找麻烦. 找麻烦. Look for trouble. At work, you would like to express your concerns to your manager. Then your manager says, 来找我. 来找我. Come find me. It actually means come talk to me. Imagine your teacher says, 做完以后找我. 做完以后找我. When you're finished, come find me. When you're finished, come talk to me. Imagine you've been looking everywhere for your keys. Then suddenly, 找到了. 找到了. I found them. See how one simple word helps you build many useful everyday expressions? Sometimes you'll hear 找钱. 找钱. At first, many learners think it means look for money, but it actually means to give change. For example, imagine you buy something for $80 and pay with $100. The cashier gives you $20 back. That's called 找钱. If you'd like to review the previous lesson about 钱, click on the top right corner of the screen. Here's another fun expression. 没事找事做. 没事找事做. Literally, it means nothing's wrong, but you are looking for something to do. Native speakers use it to describe someone who creates unnecessary trouble or extra work when everything was already fine. 你怎么老是没事找事做? 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 Why do you always create problem for yourself? Why are you so extra? It's a playful expression you'll hear in everyday Mandarin conversations. And that's today's daily Mandarin word. 找. 找. Let's practice together 3 times. 找. 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 好，大家下次见咯. See you next time, everyone. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a word.